Hey everybody, I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at and walking you through the install of these clear LED rear side markers available for all 2015 through 2023 Mustangs. Now, you should consider the clear options for your ride if you'd like to swap out the boring red stockers in favor of something that will flow nicely with the lighter color S550s out there, or possibly other clear lighting that you may have already added to your ride, such as a set of clear Euro taillights or other clear lighting, and you just basically want to achieve a more consistent look. So the big feature here is going to be pretty obvious, right? You are replacing your boring red stock side markers with a clean, clear lens loaded with red LEDs just to keep everything legal. Now, not only does this new light here get rid of those red lenses, which, let's face it, tend to stick out like a sore thumb, but the clear lenses here will also replace the single incandescent bulb and lone bright spot found with those stock markers with a line of LEDs here with your new clear options, which is going to give off more of a blade style appearance once everything's fired up. Now, getting back to appearance here, gang, and as I mentioned at the top of this video, these marker lights really do seem to appeal to S550 owners out there for two big reasons. First and foremost, if you've swapped out your taillights for a set of very popular clear Euro tails, well, then these obviously are going to flow very nicely with them and just make for a more consistent look. Secondly, if you have a lighter colored S550, such as Oxford White, for instance, or maybe even a silver car, these practically make the marker lights disappear into the body of the car when the light is off. And again, I just think that contributes to a much cleaner look overall. Construction from the USA-made clear options here will be extremely solid throughout. In fact, you're looking at ABS plastic for the base or housing here. They are going to be loaded with the SMD, or surface mounted diode. That's an LED focal stripe here. It's going to give you that blade-like look that we talked about earlier, or that pattern that I really dig. And on top of that, guys, you're going to be getting the clear optical reflector or lens, which has been ultrasonically welded to prevent any water or moisture from building up inside that housing behind the lens over time. Now, the markers have been built to exact factory specifications and will not require any modification or wiring when it comes time for the install. Now, your price point for the pair of clear markers here will hover in that low $100 ballpark, which will put these on the slightly higher side of the pricing spectrum amongst other options from Raxium, Diode Dynamics, or even Morimoto's. But you have to keep in mind, this is currently one of your only options on the site to deliver that very unique look of the clear lenses. Most of your other options, more affordable options, will typically deliver a smoke lens or even a red lens. So again, if you really want to nail that clear look, match a set of clear Euro lights, these are going to be one of your only options on the site at this time. Now, moving into the installation process here, guys, and because this is a direct swap plug and play job, site's going to correctly call it a pretty soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking about 15 minutes or so to complete from start to finish. But now, to give you a better idea of what to expect, check out this detailed walkthrough from an AM customer now.
There is no tools required for this, so this is quick. Pop in and pop out. I'll just show you here. As you see, we got 2 different kind of clips here, and obviously where we clip in our wires that turn these bad boys on. So I will show you how to install this. Let's go ahead. All right, so here we are, and we got our one clip here. This one just kind of slides in, and we got our other clip right here. Alright, to get started, we're just going to push that pin towards the back of the car. Alright, so from the outside, we're just going to slide this in towards the back here first, and then we'll push it in. Slide it in, snap it in, just like that. All right, and now to complete this, all we gotta do is push in this harness, and the install is complete. Just like so. And now to complete the process, You just go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, step by step, and then your install is complete.
So if you'd like to clean up the look of the marker lights on your S550 at home, along with adding some very unique high-powered LED lighting, then you'll have to check out this clear set of marker lights for your S550 right here at AmericanMuscle.com.